Now all the dumplings are made. I am hungry. Are you? Let's start cook. I will show you 2 ways to cook dumplings: steamed and pan-fried. Also, I will show you how to make dumpling dipping sauce. First, let me show you how to steam the dumplings. Bring a pot of water with steamer. Then I brush some oil on the top of the steamer so that the dumpling won't stick at the bottom of it. Bring the water to the boiling in high heat, then in medium heat, steam for about 8 minutes. While I'm waiting for the dumpling to be steamed, let me make some dipping sauce. Add a little bit of soy sauce. 1 spoon. And some rice vinegar. Little bit of sesame oil. And I like spicy, so I use some homemade chili oil. If you want to know how to make homemade chili oil, check out my another video. It's about 8 minutes. Let's check. Wow, it's done. Meat and a vegetable. It's just a 1-dish meal. It's perfect for lunchbox. Next, let me show you how to pan-fry the dumplings. Coat the skillet with 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Put either freshly made dumpling or frozen dumplings into the skillet. Add about 1/2 cup of water, then cover it up. In medium heat, cook around 5 minutes until the bottom turns to crispy and golden brown. Then serve immediately with dipping sauce. Hope you enjoy my video and try to make at home.